If you're learning Roblox scripting by jumping between random tutorials, this video might annoy you, but it'll save you months. Because most people don't fail at scripting, they lack structure to learn it. See, there's so many people out there, and I used to kind of be in this category, who watch tutorials, who constantly look for the next guide on how to script something, and they feel like they're making progress, but then the second that they try to make something on their own, they don't know what to do. They're lost. So random learning on random tutorials on YouTube feels productive because your brain is busy, not because you're actually moving forward. I know so many devs who come to my comment section and say that they know bits and pieces of Lua, but they can't actually finish systems or make a game. Everybody knows a little bit of Lua, but almost nobody finishes a project with code. At the end of the day, YouTube teaches topics. They will teach you a data store system. They will teach you how to remake 99 Nights in the Forest. They will show you how to make a pet system for a simulator. But notice this. Usually, they don't give you an order. They don't give you a step-by-step sequence. They're like, all right, here's the system. Figure it out from there. Good luck. You're not learning Roblox scripting. You're consuming Roblox scripting. So if you feel lost, that is exactly what's going on. This is why I don't spam my channel with random videos on how to make different systems. I don't spam my channel with random videos on how to remake popular games, because I know that what people really need is the fundamentals, a step-by-step system to figure everything out, and then they need lots and lots of practice and lots of problems that they run into on their own that they have to solve with very little external help and with AI. See, if you stay stuck just watching tutorials, copy-pasting code, and not really having a path to learn scripting, you will usually end up having projects that just sit there at 60 to 70% done. You'll feel almost there for years, and you'll watch newer devs pass you. The scariest part is you start thinking that the problem is you when it's actually the structure that you're using to learn. So what does work? Well, I often point devs to my guide, The Easiest Beginner Guide to Roblox Scripting. It's on YouTube. It has over 4 million views. It's the top scripting guide in the world. Why? Not because it's the perfect guide, but because it gives them a clear starting point. And that's the first thing. You need somewhere concrete to start. You can't start in the middle trying to learn how to make UI tween and move around and make animations without understanding the basics, the boring stuff like variables and functions in scripting. You need to layer skills on top of each other. You need to do it in the right order. It's systems before tricks. Random tricks, random clones of top games, random systems on YouTube won't help you to understand the fundamentals of scripting. What works best is to make simple games, as we talk about all the time, iterate on those prototypes, and then scale from there. You make something that works, even if it's just an obby, have a few obstacles in there, get to 10, 20, 30 stages, finish it, and then test it out with friends. Now you have a running game. That's something most devs don't have, because they never even get to the point where they understand the fundamentals enough to produce something that works. They just have a lot of disjointed ideas in their head about how scripting works, but never actually go down a real structured path. You know, even if it was accidental, every real developer I know learned in a sequence, not randomly. So you can learn from a basics guide on YouTube. You can start there, it gives you a clear starting point. But if you really want a path that is structured, join Scripting Secrets. This is a structured path, believe it or not. It is a course, but it has a plan as the very first video on how you're going to go about learning scripting. It's not about learning random systems. It's about going step by step from beginner to intermediate to real systems in your game that you make on your own, even if a video doesn't exist on what you want to do. Because a lot of our ideas don't have videos on it. And that's the point of being creative and being a developer who pushes limits. It's designed to prevent wandering. We also teach you in there how to use AI properly. More lessons are coming on that, especially here soon. So if this video already made things feel clearer, that's not on accident. That is what structure does. So if you want the path instead of guessing, the link is below. If not, that's fine. Just stop learning randomly. Build your own structure. Don't try to watch random tutorials and copy paste code and hope that somehow your brain will magically figure it out, because it won't. All right, click here to learn more, and I will see you next time. Peace.